told my family we should go camping this weekend. And so now we're going camping this weekend. So I'm camping with the dog. So let's see how that goes. Naturally, after you have packed everything, the first stop on a road trip is Taco Bell. It's not a road trip unless somebody gets sick and projectile vomits. So we're cleaning it up now. I think we are a few miles from the campsite, but unforeseen problem is that we have absolutely no service and we need to charge the car. Every time my daughter had to pee and I had her pee in her Starbucks cup and she overflowed it. So I had pee all over my leg, all over my hand. We're not even at the campsite yet. We still have no service, so we have to go back downhill to be able to hook up his car to a charger. That's why you get a Tesla. We made it to the campsite. What's the issue? We're double booked. So somebody is in our spot. So we have to figure that out. This is a series of unfortunate events. And I didn't bring a jacket. We're right next to the lake and it was just snowing. So it's very cold. And I packed only long sleeve. Only short sleeve. You know what? We're gonna roll with it. We planned to be at our site at 2:50. It is now 6:20. And we're not there yet. We've already missed our lunch. And now we're gonna have, I guess, just dinner. But plot twist, we're not even at the right campsite. So we're going there. Sorry.
You want the front to go this way? Or well, we want the pad, right? The dirt pad? So we can clean off our feet or shoes before we go in?
Yeah, but I still want, if we're over here, so we have to see them inside. Then, here's our tent. So I packed for weather at home, which is almost 90, not mountain weather, which is like 60 or 70. So I'm wearing my husband's pajamas. I have no long sleeve, no jacket, no pants, no socks. So this is my fit right now. I'm wearing my husband's pajamas, my husband's sweater, his socks, and my shoes. So if you see me in the mountains looking like this, just mind your business. This is our yurt. This is our outhouse. Funny story, we actually got the wrong site again, but they're letting us stay. They said we're supposed to be out there in the middle of nowhere by yourself, but I like having neighbors, so I prefer to stay here. This is our dog, she's tripping. This is our fire pit and food area, grill, and yeah, that's a tour of our, we have a neighbor there and a neighbor there. I like to have eyes on me, and neighbors all over there. Get her butt out of her face. Yes.
I really want to make cookies.
Okay. Really gross. It looks like it's alive. Ugh. It's really, really disgusting. Parts of parenting they don't tell you about. Ugh.
Soak it up with that.
Can you give me a trash bag and then I'll...
Yeah. I got some more.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I need a hazmat suit. Ugh.
What do you need help?
We're kayaking right now. This is beautiful. You would never get this at Tahoe. We would
I
never
think I'm gonna sit right there.
close. Put your feet in.
I'm just worried about him tumbling into
I'll
the
watch
water.
him. I'm watching.
Or maybe you can move him where I am.
Noah? Noah, you want some shit, Spooky?
Yeah.
Or you want fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Here. Such a son. That's your child. His little toes. This lake view is beautiful, but I'm on a dog walk. Duty calls. Pretty. I don't know what she said.
Need help.
Help you doing what? Flush first. Arms up. No, other side. Go, girl. Back.
Did you see that, everybody? I've been practicing.
Oh, all right. We got the slugger out here.
Where are you free?
Okay, Mama.
So,
Yeah, Mama, show him his boss. Go, Mom.
a little too slow. Ready? Nice.
You gotta go, girl. You gotta go, girl. You gotta go, girl. You gotta go, girl.
To me, Mama.
You're fine. Or you can have another taco.
It's Judy. And it's
Millennial
time to jump in the lake.
avocado toast
It's fine bathing, Bob,
dinner.
darling. It's what you're supposed to do. Not naked. We got my
We are headed home.
You guys come out.
Kids are crying.
Come out.
We're ready to go.
Come out.
Isn't that a great idea? No, no, no. Don't step on it, baby. Oh, thank you. Huh? You should have clipped it first. Careful, baby. Watch where you're walking, okay?